Hi, good day, guys. Welcome. So I have this question from JAM 1990, question 25, where we are asked to simplify x divided by x plus y divided by x minus x squared divided by x squared minus y squared. Quickly, we dive into this by writing solution. Write solution. Next, we copy out our expression. So we have x divided by x plus y plus y divided by x minus y minus x squared divided by x squared minus y squared. Next, we note that the denominator at our third fraction, that is x squared minus y squared, is a difference of two square terms, and it's equal to bracket open x minus y bracket close bracket open x plus y bracket close. Therefore, our LCM in solving this expression is bracket open x plus y bracket close bracket open x minus y bracket close. Thus, we proceed by writing down our LCM, bracket open, x plus y, bracket close, bracket open, x minus y, bracket close. Now, our LCM gets divided by a denominator in our first fraction. So we have bracket open, x plus y, bracket close, bracket open, x minus y, bracket close, divided by x plus y. This ends up leaving us with bracket open, x minus y, bracket close. We multiply this with x and we have x bracket open, x minus y, bracket close. Bring our addition sign. All right, continue. We divide bracket open x plus y bracket close bracket open x minus y bracket close by x minus y. This leaves us with x plus y. Now y times x plus y, we end up having y bracket open x plus y bracket close. Bring down our subtraction sign. Now bracket open x plus y bracket close bracket open x minus y bracket close divided by x squared minus x squared. This leaves us with 1. Reason being that, as we said earlier on, x squared minus y squared is same thing as bracket open x plus y bracket close bracket open x minus y bracket close. Now 1 times x squared, we have x squared here. All right, we proceed further to opening the brackets at our numerator. But first of all, copy down our denominator. So we have bracket open x plus y bracket close bracket open x minus y bracket close. Now to open the bracket at our numerator, we have x times x gives us x squared. X times minus y, we have minus xy plus y times x gives us plus xy, then plus y times plus y gives us plus y squared, all right, minus x squared. Now we proceed by collecting like terms, hence x squared cancels out minus x squared, then minus xy cancels out plus xy, minus xy cancels out plus xy. At our numerator, what we'll have left is y squared divided by bracket open x plus y bracket close bracket open x minus y bracket close. Now we need to recall that bracket open x plus y bracket close bracket open x minus y bracket close is a difference of two square term, and it's equal to x squared minus y squared. Therefore, this our expression here equal to y squared divided by x squared minus y squared as our final answer. Thank you.